Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your boy Samson Biggz, and holy crap, I just had the worst coughing fit. The worst coughing fit after my testosterone injection. 15 years of taking testosterone, I've never, ever had a coughing fit like this. I'll admit, I was scared. I was a little scared. I was just like, where I was lightheaded, I was coughing, I was just, what's going on? Okay, my eyes were watering. I was like, oh snap, I did something bad. So instantly after the coughing fit was over and I was not scared anymore, I jumped online and started doing some research to see what just happened. I've been taking testosterone for, like I said, 15 years. Never had a crazy coughing fit like this. This was crazy. And I found out what happened. So basically what happened is something called pulmonary oil microembolism. So basically you take your testosterone injection, you put it in wherever you put it in, and you accidentally nick a vein. And a little bit of the oil gets in your bloodstream, travels to your lungs, and you have a coughing fit because your lungs are like, what is this? This isn't blood, this is oil. We need to get it out. So you start coughing like crazy. And that was the first time that's ever happened to me in 15 years. Oh my goodness gracious. Is this going to stop me from taking testosterone? No, it's not. Okay, yes, it was a scare, and it is one of the dangers of putting foreign objects into your body. I like saying that, putting foreign objects inside of your body. By the way, if you don't know, I am an OnlyFans model, and I do put foreign objects into my body. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you sign up for my OnlyFans. Dirty, dirty, dirty. But anyway, right now we're talking about testosterone and the dangers of testosterone. So yeah, testosterone, being an enhanced athlete, is a dangerous. Just like anything else you do in life that, if you go bungee jumping, you go skydiving, you freaking drink alcohol all the time, you take drugs, you party like a rock star, you go driving, just driving in your car is dangerous. Flying an airplane is dangerous. Talking smack to somebody you don't know is dangerous. So life is dangerous, and you got to be careful, but you can't live your life scared to do anything. Pay attention, figure things out, get it right, but sometimes you can't really do anything about it. Like what happened to me just now. How am I supposed to know where the vein is in my butt? It's one of those things. I'm not going to know where the vein is in my butt. All you can do is, stick the needle in, aspirate, see if blood comes up. If it doesn't, take your chances. So, yeah, this was a little bit of nervous, a little bit of a scare, But this is just something that's a part of the game. If you want to be an enhanced athlete, if you want to be a bodybuilder, there are going to be times when you're going to do things that it's going to be kind of scary. And you just gotta keep on keeping on, But yeah, I'd like to keep you guys in the loop, let you guys know all the things, because what happens to me is going to happen to a lot of you guys out there if you're enhanced. But if you're not enhanced and you don't want to take the risk, you don't have to. And it's good for guys like me to tell you the things that we deal with, so that way when you are going to make your own decisions, you have more information. The more information you have, the better. Because then you can know, hey, I don't want to even deal with that. Or if you're like me, you're like, man, I'm willing to risk it so I can look like freaking just jacked. So it's up to you. You want to be jacked or not jacked and healthy? It's just you got to weigh your options, baby. It's your boy, Samson Biggz. Just letting you know what happened and keep you informed. And yeah, we'll be back with more videos shortly. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Samson Biggz, King of Arizona. Always letting you guys know the truth. Come to me for the truth. I will tell you the truth. I'm not going to hide it from you. Like a lot of guys are going to hide things from you. I'm not going to hide things from you. I'm going to let you know the truth. All right. We'll be back with more videos shortly.